So, I've been researching a lot about creatine recently, and I've been hearing praises all over the internet from all types of different people about creatine on the internet. There's also a shit ton of studies supporting this, saying that it's good for exercise and working out and all this. So I was like, because I've never taken creatine, why not make a YouTube video out of this? So for the next 7 days, I'm going to be taking this powder thing. I opened it, but I promise you I haven't used it yet. And I'm going to be showing you guys the differences in my body of how I look, and also my weight differences, and also how I feel. Like if I feel more energized while working out. So to get things going. So today is, let me refresh. So today is Monday, 24th of August, exactly 7 o'clock. So this challenge will last 1 week. So it will end on Monday, 31st of August. And yeah, basically I'm going to be showing you guys my weight, how I look, how I feel, and see if this actually works. Now, because it is only 1 week, there's not going to be a huge difference. So if this video does good, I'll do a 30-day update and show you guys the weight difference, how I look, and also how I feel, and if it's impacted my strength or my boxing training, etc. So first things first, my weight. At the moment I weigh 73.3 kg, which I think is around 160 pounds, either a tiny bit lower or a tiny bit more. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, that's how much I weigh right now. And most of the weight you'll gain from creatine is going to be water weight, so I doubt my weight difference will be huge. It'll be more about how I feel and how I look. But yeah, like I said, 7 days of taking this shit. So yeah, let's get into it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, what's up guys? So it's day 1 of the challenge. So it's Monday today, and I'm going to the gym at the moment. So it's the morning, it's like 8 o'clock, and I'm going to take my first bit of creatine. So I think it's 5 grams of creatine after my workout, because apparently it absorbs better. So yeah, I'll pick up the video again once I'm ready to take it after my workout. And yeah, alright guys, so picking the video back up. So I finished my workout for the day. So I done back today, so I was doing deadlifts and pull-ups. And I've read somewhere that apparently if you take creatine after your workout, it gets absorbed a lot better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically put a scoop of creatine into this cup of cold water. And I've heard apparently if you have it with some sort of sugar as well, I don't know where I read this, but apparently it's better as well. So I'm gonna have a bit of honey with it. Yeah, I'll quickly do that now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah guys, so it's a bit of water, and literally 1 scoop is 3 grams of creatine. So I'm going to be doing this every single day, and then I'll put a bit of honey as well. Where is it? Okay, I'll put a tiny bit of honey, not too much. Okay, that's actually, yeah, that's not too bad. And then I'll basically have to mix it. So yeah, now all I have to do is basically mix it and then drink it. I think I put a bit too much water, but it doesn't matter. I don't know what it tastes like as well, because obviously it's the first time I'm having it. But yeah, apparently the whole idea of creatine is basically to give your muscles more energy when working out, and it helps with performance as well, so you lift higher volume at the gym. So yeah, okay, I'm never having it with honey again, because the creatine, it literally has no taste. So I'm basically tasting just cold water with honey, and it doesn't taste good. Oh fuck. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys every single day, because I don't feel like there's much point, because I'm just gonna be doing the same thing every day, just working out and taking a scoop of creatine. So I'll pick the video back up at the end of the week, and I'll show you guys the results, and I'll tell you guys how I feel, and if this creatine made any difference to my performance and working out. So yeah, hope you guys have a good week, and yeah. What's going on, guys? So today is the day after the challenge has finished. Let me show you guys the time and date. So as you can see, it's 8:16 a.m. Tuesday, 1st of September. So the challenge finished yesterday, which was Monday, 31st of August. And that was the 7-day mark. So I didn't want to film yesterday because I didn't really want to film my weight as well, just so that I could sleep overnight. I don't know, I feel like it would be a bit more accurate if I gave it the full 7 days rather than like 6.5 days. Obviously, it's time to get into the results now to see whether the creatine actually worked. And I'll start off with my weight. So my weight before the challenge started was 73.3 kg. And the end weight of the challenge was 74.2 kg, which is a bit of an increase, not a huge increase, but it is a tiny bit of an increase, nearly 1 kg, so 0.9 kg, which isn't too bad. And like I said, most of it was probably water weight, because I do drink a lot of water when I'm at the gym as well. So yeah, most of that is probably water. And the thing that everyone has been waiting for is the pictures. So here's the first before and after picture. So you can see that it's not a huge difference, and obviously in 1 week I'm not gonna gain say 10 kg. So the expectation shouldn't really be that the differences are gonna be huge. However, you can see really subtle differences. So in the after, you can see I do look a tiny bit bigger just because of the extra water weight I have. So it's very slight differences. Now, as you can see in the other before and after as well, so all my pictures were taken after workout, so in the same place as well. So the lighting is the same and the time of day is pretty much the same as well, just to make it as fair as possible. And yeah, so it's not huge differences in the before and afters. However, I guarantee you after a month there would be bigger changes, because I definitely did feel something from the creatine, especially after looking at the before and after. So yeah, I do think that if I do carry on taking this creatine for another month at least, then there will be like much bigger differences. So I am gonna do that, and if this video gets 50 likes, I'll go for 50 likes. Then I will do a 1 month update, and I guarantee you the 1 month update, there are like actual body differences, possibly the weight differences. It depends on how much I eat. But the body differences in terms of like look and aesthetics will definitely be different, because 1 week isn't really enough time for your body to have like huge noticeable changes. As you can see in the before and after, there are very small little subtle differences. I do look a bit, I wouldn't say not bigger, just a bit more like full, I guess. But yeah, this challenge was fun to make, and because of the amount of research for creatine, I will carry on taking creatine for the 1 month. So if you did enjoy the video, please smash that like button. And quickly, I forgot to say, after the creatine, you definitely feel like you have that extra bit of energy at the gym. And I mean, that is the whole purpose of creatine. It is meant to give your muscles that extra like few seconds of push. Say if you're doing 1 rep max and the other week you failed, but you've been taking creatine for a week and a half, 2 weeks, whatever, you'll be able to go through that push. So that's kind of what creatine does, and that was the whole purpose, and I definitely felt it. So I didn't really feel any like side effects or downsides of creatine. So I'll carry on taking it for a month. I'll give you a 1 month update if this video hits 50 likes. So smash that like button, subscribe if you are new and you did enjoy the video. And yeah, next video is coming out in around a week, so I'll start filming it either today or tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.